Hazrat Masruq says that Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu told that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu commissioned Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, "Say you, I ask you of you no wage for this Quran, nor I am of those who affect." So when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam found that the Quraysh are determined to disobey him, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam made an invocation. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, help me imposing on them the 7 years as you sent in Hazrat Yusuf times. So famine hit them, and even all the things got depleted, and they consumed even bones and hides. One of them said, even they consumed bones and carrions, and they would see something like smoke rising from the earth. So Abu Sufyan visited him sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, invoke Allah to avert this chastisement from us. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam made such invocation and also said, you will renege on your promise after the torment will be averted from you. In Mansur's report, it is mentioned that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam then recited these verses. Therefore, wait you the day when the sky will bring a clear smoke. You will again do the same. Will the torment of the hereafter be removed from them? So this matter of smoke is a bygone thing. 2-3. The seizing and holding the Quraysh captive in the battle of Badr have also already occurred. 4. As per one saying, the splitting of the moon has also occurred. 5. The other said the episode of the Romans has also passed. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4824.